Hello everyone and welcome to Module 1 for Merging Google Sheets. So as you can see, I have my folder for remote learning attendance open. I have selected one of my Google Sheets and now I'm going to complete the add-on for Sheets Go. So from here you're going to go to Get Add-on, type in Sheet Go, click on it and install it. Once you're done, it will be in your add-ons. So I'm going to turn around and get started. From here, I'm going to select data from one, and I am going to choose from Google Sheets and select a file. From there, I'm going to show all files, scroll down until I get to my remote learning attendance, double click that open, and select the Google Sheets for the attendance that you wish. Click on Done. From there, it will say multiple files, loading tab name, and then you want to select a tab. This is going to open up a separate tab in this area. So I'm going to say February 3rd, 2021 attendance report and hit finished. After a few moments, it will actually create another tab down here at the bottom, and this will be your complete attendance report of all students that attended. The next module, Module 2, will be identifying and clarifying different values and also deleting multiples and tallying them.